So now I'm on a Turkish Airlines flight heading to Bologna, Italy. This is how the journey began. I started from Pune at around 2 a.m. on an Indigo flight, reached Delhi at around 4 a.m., waited there for 2 hours for my next flight at 6 a.m., headed to Istanbul, again waited in Istanbul for an hour. Then I'm on this flight now, which is heading directly to Bologna, Italy.
The crew will provide life vests for infants. Please only put the life vest on your infant in an emergency situation and inflate it immediately. Exit for more details.
That was a cool animation on the safety guidelines. Hope that doesn't happen to any kid. One thing I love about this new Istanbul airport is the amount of traffic it has. You'll witness that in a moment. Keep looking at this. Now there's this flight which just landed and is heading towards the airport. Now as this happens, if you kind of keep looking at the runway, then there's this plane that has already landed and is approaching the airport. There's another plane which has landed on the left hand side and it's going towards the end of the runway to take a U-turn. And on the right hand side, if you see, there's another plane which is already taking off. And it's just exciting to witness all these things happening in tandem. Alright, seems like we've got clearance for takeoff. That's the beautiful control tower that the Turkish air authorities keep advertising. You must have seen those on a lot of ads of Turkish Airlines. And we are about to witness a parallel takeoff. How cool is that? Entertainment system is loaded with tons of movies. There's ample leg room for a comfortable flight. Food looks good. And then there is pasta. How can you forget pasta on your way to Italy? Buongiorno Lamborghini. Now I can rest assured I've reached Bologna, Italy safe and sound. Okay, so this is where the Ducati Dream Tour starts. I'm exactly in front of AC Marriott Hotel, the first day of the Ducati Dream Tour. And that's Beppe over there. Now we are walking towards the Ducati Scrambler food factory for dinner. Let's see. So here it is. The Scrambler food factory is nothing but a concept or a theme based restaurant specifically focusing on the Scrambler bikes of Ducati, and surprisingly it has been working for them, strengthening the brand across globe. Pepe seems to be explaining the tour plan to the whole group, so it's not something to miss out.
There is a rest of the factory, yes. So there is only the museum available. We do the visit of the museums. We have a lunch together in the factory, in the restaurant of the factory, and after we change gear, we change clothes, and we start around 2 o'clock for our. Tomorrow we have around 100 kilometers, but interesting because we climbed at 1,400 meter altitude to the mountain, Monte Cimone. The temperature normally is not cold, but remember that 100 meter is 1
degree every 100.
So if you have 14,
That's 14 degrees, yes.
It's better. Honey for the cheese. You have to eat.
Yes, the food was really great. I don't drink, so while the group enjoys their drinks, I'll take a quick final tour of this restaurant.